Welcome to another exploration of hidden knowledge and ancient mysteries. Today, we delve into the enigmatic Nazca Lines of Peru. Stretching across the arid expanse of the Nazca Desert, these massive geoglyphs captivate and mystify all who behold them. Etched into the ground over 2 millennia ago, the Nazca Lines depict a variety of forms, from animals and plants to intricate geometric shapes. Their sheer size and precision raise many questions about their purpose and creators. Despite numerous studies, the true meaning behind these vast and intricate designs remains elusive. Were they astronomical calendars, religious symbols, or perhaps messages from the gods? As we journey through history, scripture, and hidden knowledge, we aim to uncover the secrets of the Nazca Lines and explore their possible connections to ancient civilizations and divine messages. Overview of the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are a series of large geoglyphs made in the soil of the Nazca Desert in southern Peru. These geoglyphs, which cover an area of nearly 1,000 square kilometers, feature a variety of designs that are both intriguing and diverse. Among these are depictions of animals such as monkeys, birds, spiders, and fish. There are also plants and trees, along with complex geometric shapes, including spirals, trapezoids, and straight lines that stretch for miles. Located in one of the driest regions on Earth, the Nazca Desert's climate has helped preserve these lines for centuries. The lines were created by removing the top layer of reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles to reveal the lighter-colored earth beneath. This stark contrast makes the designs visible from the air. Dating back to a period between 500 BCE and 500 CE, these geoglyphs are attributed to the Nazca culture, which thrived in the region during this time. The methods and purposes behind their creation continue to inspire curiosity and debate among archaeologists, historians, and enthusiasts of hidden knowledge. Historical context. The Nazca culture, flourishing from around 100 BCE to 800 CE, is responsible for the creation of the remarkable Nazca Lines. This ancient civilization, centered in the river valleys of the southern coast of Peru, is known for its impressive achievements in engineering, agriculture, and artistry. The Nazca people developed a sophisticated society with advanced agricultural techniques, including the construction of intricate underground aqueducts called puquios. These innovations allowed them to thrive in the harsh desert environment. Archaeological findings have provided valuable insights into the Nazca culture. Excavations of burial sites have revealed intricate pottery, textiles, and other artifacts that showcase the artistic prowess of the Nazca people. These artifacts, adorned with vivid colors and intricate patterns, often depict the same animals and symbols found in the Nazca Lines, suggesting a deep cultural and religious significance. Dating the Nazca Lines has been achieved through a combination of methods, including radiocarbon dating of organic materials found near the geoglyphs and analysis of the pottery styles in the surrounding areas. These methods have established that the lines were created over several centuries, between 500 BCE and 500 CE. Through the study of these archaeological findings and dating methods, we gain a clearer picture of the Nazca culture and the context in which these enigmatic geoglyphs were created. This historical backdrop enriches our understanding of the possible purposes and meanings behind the Nazca Lines. Biblical and scriptural connections. The Nazca Lines, with their intricate designs and mysterious origins, invite comparisons to other ancient symbols and structures found around the world. Many cultures have created large-scale earthworks and celestial markers, suggesting a shared fascination with the heavens and the divine. One intriguing parallel can be drawn from the Bible, specifically the book of Job 9:9, which states, "He is the maker of the Bear and Orion, the Pleiades and the constellations of the south." This reference to celestial bodies highlights the significance of the stars and constellations in biblical times, much like the possible astronomical connections seen in the Nazca Lines. In various parts of the world, ancient civilizations have created geoglyphs and monuments aligned with celestial events. For example, the megalithic structures at Stonehenge in England and the pyramids of Egypt are believed to be aligned with solstices and other astronomical phenomena. These alignments suggest a deep understanding of and reverence for the cosmos, which might also be reflected in the Nazca Lines. The designs of the Nazca Lines, particularly the straight lines that stretch across the desert, could have served as astronomical markers or even a form of celestial map. The alignment and orientation of these lines may point to significant celestial events, such as the rising and setting of specific stars or the paths of planets. The potential link between the Nazca Lines and celestial significance, as hinted in the Book of Job, adds a layer of biblical mystery to these ancient geoglyphs. This connection invites us to explore whether the Nazca people, like many ancient cultures, use these vast designs to communicate with the divine or to mark significant astronomical events. Possible purposes. The purpose of the Nazca Lines has been the subject of much speculation and study. Several theories have emerged over the years, each proposing a different function for these enigmatic geoglyphs. One prominent theory suggests that the Nazca Lines served as an astronomical calendar. The alignment of certain lines and figures with celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes, supports this idea. The lines may have been used to mark the passage of time and to track astronomical phenomena, helping the Nazca people plan agricultural activities and religious ceremonies. Another theory posits that the lines had religious significance. The Nazca culture was deeply spiritual, and many of their artifacts, including pottery and textiles, depict gods and supernatural beings. The geoglyphs could have been created as offerings to the gods, meant to be seen from the heavens. These massive drawings might have been intended to honor deities or to communicate with them, asking for protection, rain, or fertility. Water-related rituals are another possible purpose of the Nazca Lines. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, and the survival of the Nazca people depended on the availability of water. Some researchers believe the lines could have been part of rituals to summon rain or to mark underground water sources. The geometric shapes and spirals might represent water flow or aquifers, guiding the people in their search for this precious resource. Biblical references also provide a fascinating context for understanding the possible purposes of the Nazca Lines. Genesis 1:14 states, "And God said, Let there be lights in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons, and for days and years." This passage underscores the ancient belief in the importance of celestial signs. Just as the Bible speaks of heavenly bodies as markers of time and events, the Nazca Lines might have been created with similar intentions, serving as earthly reflections of celestial order and divine will. These various theories highlight the complex and multifaceted nature of the Nazca Lines, suggesting that they may have had multiple purposes, encompassing astronomy, religion, and survival. The true meaning of these geoglyphs remains a tantalizing mystery, inviting us to delve deeper into the ancient knowledge and beliefs of the Nazca people. Hidden knowledge and forbidden interpretations. The Nazca Lines have long been the subject of theories involving hidden knowledge and forbidden interpretations, particularly those related to ancient astronaut theories. These theories propose that the geoglyphs were created as a means of communication with gods or extraterrestrial beings, suggesting a connection between ancient civilizations and advanced otherworldly entities. One of the most intriguing aspects of this theory is the idea that the Nazca Lines served as landing strips or navigational aids for ancient astronauts. The vast, straight lines and large, clearly visible figures could have been designed to be seen from the sky, providing guidance for extraterrestrial visitors. Proponents of this theory argue that the precision and scale of the geoglyphs imply the use of advanced technology or knowledge beyond what the Nazca people were believed to possess. A key biblical reference often cited in discussions of ancient astronaut theory is the vision of the wheels in Ezekiel 1:1-28. In this passage, the prophet Ezekiel describes a vision of 4 living creatures and wheels within wheels, moving in unison and shining like crystal. This description has been interpreted by some as a depiction of advanced flying machines or spacecraft, suggesting that ancient texts contain references to encounters with extraterrestrial beings. Furthermore, forbidden knowledge from apocryphal texts and other ancient writings hints at advanced knowledge or contact with otherworldly beings. For example, Texts such as the Book of Enoch describe interactions between humans and celestial beings, imparting forbidden knowledge about the heavens, the earth, and the cosmos. These accounts suggest that ancient civilizations might have received guidance or technology from advanced beings, enabling them to create the monumental structures and geoglyphs that continue to baffle modern researchers. The connection to ancient astronaut theories and forbidden knowledge adds a layer of intrigue to the Nazca Lines, challenging conventional understandings of history and human capability. Whether or not these interpretations hold true, they invite us to consider the possibility that the Nazca people were part of a larger, interconnected story involving advanced civilizations and divine or extraterrestrial influence. The geoglyphs as messages. The Nazca Lines, with their intricate and varied designs, have been analyzed for hidden messages that may be encoded in their shapes and alignments. Each geoglyph, whether depicting an animal, plant, or geometric shape, could carry symbolic meanings intended for divine beings or even advanced civilizations. For instance, the hummingbird, one of the most famous geoglyphs, might represent resurrection or immortality, reflecting the Nazca people's religious beliefs and their reverence for nature. The spider, another significant figure, could symbolize fertility and creation, given its importance in many ancient cultures. The monkey, with its prehensile tail forming a spiral, might be linked to astronomical or cosmic cycles, hinting at a sophisticated understanding of the universe. The straight lines and geometric shapes also offer potential insights into the Nazca's hidden messages. These lines often converge at specific points, possibly serving as directional markers or aligning with celestial bodies and events. The trapezoids, for example, might be interpreted as paths or roads leading to sacred sites, suggesting that the geoglyphs functioned as a vast ceremonial landscape. Some researchers believe that these shapes were designed to be seen from the air, indicating that the messages were intended for beings who could observe them from above. The idea that these geoglyphs were meant for divine beings or advanced civilizations aligns with the broader concept of ancient peoples communicating with higher powers. The Nazca might have used these massive designs to send messages to their gods, seeking favor, guidance, or protection. Alternatively, if we entertain the ancient astronaut theory, the geoglyphs could be seen as an attempt to communicate with extraterrestrial visitors, providing them with information or directions. The complexity and precision of the Nazca Lines suggests that they were more than mere artistic expressions. They were deliberate and meaningful messages encoded in the desert landscape, meant to convey the Nazca people's understanding of their world and their connection to the cosmos. Advanced techniques and technologies. The precision and scale of the Nazca Lines point to the use of advanced surveying techniques by the ancient Nazca people. The creation of these vast geoglyphs, some spanning hundreds of meters, required meticulous planning and execution. The straight lines in particular are remarkably accurate over long distances, suggesting that the Nazca possessed sophisticated methods for laying out their designs. Archaeologists believe that the Nazca used simple but effective tools such as ropes and stakes to achieve this precision. They likely employed a combination of basic geometry and careful measurements to ensure the accuracy of their lines and shapes. When comparing the Nazca Lines to other ancient structures with similar precision, such as the pyramids of Egypt and Stonehenge, it becomes evident that ancient civilizations had an impressive grasp of engineering and technology. The Great Pyramid of Giza, with its precise alignment to the cardinal points and its complex internal structure, demonstrates a high level of architectural and mathematical knowledge. Similarly, Stonehenge's alignment with solstices and its massive, precisely placed stones reflect advanced planning and astronomical understanding. The similarities between these ancient sites suggest that their builders may have had access to advanced techniques and technologies, some of which might be lost to us today. This hidden knowledge could have included specialized tools, surveying methods, and an in-depth understanding of the natural world and celestial phenomena. The ability to create such large and precise structures without modern equipment indicates that these ancient peoples possessed a level of expertise that continues to awe and inspire us. The Nazca Lines, like other ancient marvels, challenge our perceptions of prehistoric technology and knowledge. They hint at a time when human ingenuity and a deep connection to the environment allowed for the creation of monumental works that still captivate our imaginations. The potential loss of these technologies over time adds an element of mystery, suggesting that there may be much more to learn about the capabilities and achievements of our ancient ancestors. Celestial alignments and astronomical significance. One of the most compelling aspects of the Nazca Lines is their potential alignment with celestial bodies and events, such as constellations, solstices, and equinoxes. Researchers have suggested that some of the geoglyphs and lines align with the positions of stars and planets, indicating that the Nazca people had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. For instance, certain lines are thought to align with the sun during the solstices, serving as markers for important agricultural or religious events. The spider geoglyph, specifically, has been linked to the constellation Orion, further highlighting the possible astronomical significance embedded in these designs. This fascination with celestial alignments is not unique to the Nazca culture. Many ancient civilizations constructed monuments and structures that reflected their reverence for the heavens. The alignment of Stonehenge with the summer and winter solstices, the pyramids of Giza with the Orion constellation, and the Mayan pyramids with various celestial events are all examples of this widespread phenomenon. These alignments suggest that the heavens played a crucial role in the spiritual and daily lives of these ancient peoples. Biblical references also emphasize the importance of the heavens and their divine connection. Psalm 19 verse 1 states, "The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands." This passage underscores the belief that the celestial realm is a reflection of divine craftsmanship and a source of spiritual significance. The Nazca Lines, with their possible celestial alignments, could be seen as an earthly manifestation of this belief, connecting the terrestrial and the divine through intricate designs that mirror the cosmos. The idea that the Nazca Lines served as astronomical markers or religious symbols reinforces the notion that the Nazca people sought to align their lives with the rhythms of the universe. By embedding their knowledge of the stars and celestial events into the very landscape, they created a lasting testament to their understanding of and reverence for the heavens. This connection to biblical references about the heavens further enriches our appreciation of the Nazca Lines as not only remarkable feats of engineering, but also profound expressions of spiritual and cosmic awareness. The role of shamans and priests. The creation of the Nazca Lines likely involved the crucial participation of shamans and priests who were central figures in the spiritual and social life of the Nazca culture. These religious leaders would have been responsible for conducting ceremonies, interpreting divine messages, and guiding the community in matters of faith and daily life. Their involvement in the creation of the lines suggests that these geoglyphs were imbued with deep religious and ritualistic significance. Shamans and priests in the Nazca society would have been seen as mediators between the human world and the spiritual realm. They possessed knowledge and skills that were considered sacred and often guarded as secrets within their communities. This hidden knowledge, passed down through generations, would have included understanding the purpose and methods for creating the lines. It is plausible that they used this knowledge to align the geoglyphs with celestial events or to create symbols that conveyed messages to the gods or the ancestors. The involvement of these religious figures in the construction of the lines can be inferred from the symbolic content of the geoglyphs. Many of the animals, plants, and geometric shapes depicted in the lines also appear in Nazca pottery and textiles, often in a religious or ceremonial context. This suggests that the geoglyphs were not merely artistic expressions, but were integral to the spiritual practices and beliefs of the Nazca people. Moreover, the knowledge required to design and execute these vast and precise geoglyphs would have necessitated advanced understanding of geometry, astronomy, and the natural landscape. Shamans and priests, as the custodians of such knowledge, would have overseen the planning and construction processes, ensuring that the lines were created according to sacred principles and rituals. They might have performed ceremonies to consecrate the ground before the creation of the lines, invoking the favor of the gods and ensuring the success of their endeavors. The hidden knowledge about the construction and purpose of the Nazca Lines, preserved and transmitted by these religious figures, underscores the profound spiritual significance of these geoglyphs. It also highlights the role of shamans and priests as vital links between the earthly and divine realms, using their sacred knowledge to create enduring monuments that continue to captivate and mystify us today. Modern discoveries and research. In recent years, advancements in technology have significantly enhanced our understanding of the Nazca Lines. Researchers have employed tools such as drones, satellite imagery, and LiDAR, light detection and ranging, to uncover new geoglyphs and gain deeper insights into these ancient designs. These technologies allow for high-resolution aerial surveys and detailed mapping of the desert floor, revealing previously unnoticed lines and figures. Drones in particular have revolutionized the study of the Nazca Lines. They provide a bird's-eye view of the geoglyphs, capturing images from angles and heights that were previously inaccessible. This aerial perspective has led to the discovery of new geoglyphs, some of which are smaller and more intricate than the well-known figures. These new findings expand our understanding of the diversity and complexity of the Nazca Lines, suggesting that the Nazca people created an even more extensive network of geoglyphs than initially thought. Satellite imagery has also played a crucial role in modern research. By analyzing images from space, scientists can identify patterns and alignments that are not visible from the ground. This has helped to confirm the celestial alignments of certain lines and has provided new evidence supporting various theories about their purpose. Additionally, satellite technology allows researchers to monitor the condition of the geoglyphs, ensuring their preservation for future generations. LiDAR technology, which uses laser pulses to create precise, three-dimensional maps of the terrain, has uncovered hidden features beneath the desert surface. This method has revealed subtle variations in the landscape that correspond to ancient pathways and structures associated with the geoglyphs. These discoveries suggest that the Nazca Lines were part of a broader cultural and ceremonial landscape, connected by roads and possibly used for processions and rituals. Modern science is not only uncovering new geoglyphs, but also providing more accurate dating methods and deeper insights into the construction techniques used by the Nazca people. For example, chemical analysis of the soil and radiocarbon dating of organic materials found near the lines have helped to refine the timeline of their creation. Researchers have also studied the wear patterns and erosion rates of the lines to understand how they have survived for so long in the harsh desert environment. These technological advancements are shedding light on the mysteries of the Nazca Lines, revealing new dimensions of their significance and complexity. As modern science continues to explore these ancient geoglyphs, we are gaining a more comprehensive picture of the ingenuity and cultural richness of the Nazca civilization. The ongoing discoveries serve as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Nazca Lines and their creators, whose messages and artistry continue to inspire awe and curiosity in the present day. Conclusion. The Nazca Lines remain one of the most enigmatic and intriguing archaeological discoveries in human history. Their vast scale, precise execution, and the sheer variety of designs continue to captivate the imagination of scholars and enthusiasts alike. From depictions of animals and plants to intricate geometric shapes and straight lines that stretch for miles, these geoglyphs embody a complex blend of artistic expression, religious devotion, and possibly astronomical knowledge. Theories about their purpose range from astronomical calendars and religious rituals to water-related functions and communication with divine or extraterrestrial beings. Despite extensive research and modern technological advancements, the true meaning and purpose of the Nazca Lines remain shrouded in mystery. The connections to hidden and biblical knowledge add a profound layer to the mystery of the Nazca Lines. Biblical references, such as those found in the Book of Job and Genesis, highlight the ancient significance of celestial bodies and the belief in divine signs in the heavens. These connections suggest that the Nazca Lines may have been created with similar intentions, reflecting a universal human desire to understand and communicate with the cosmos. The involvement of shamans and priests, the potential use of advanced surveying techniques, and the hidden knowledge passed down through generations further underscore the depth and sophistication of the Nazca culture. As we continue to explore and uncover new findings with modern science, The quest for understanding these ancient messages from the gods persists, inviting us to look beyond the surface and delve into the rich tapestry of human history and spirituality.